You hear about the African Union. Yes, it exists. But what does it actually do? We're told it's meant to unite us, to drive integration, to protect Africa. But look, around wars rage across the continent, and the African Union remains silent. We cannot speak of unity when millions of African youth are dying. We cannot preach integration when the very organization created to uphold it is missing in action. When Ethiopia, the host of the African Union's headquarters, was in crisis, the Prime Minister had to put on military fatigues and shut down universities to face the threat. Where was the African Union then? Nowhere. Foreign embassies packed up and fled. Ethiopia had to solve its crisis alone. And today, it survives, but not because of any help from the AU. For years, the children of Congo have been dying. Sudan continues to burn. The Sahel has suffered under international terrorism for nearly a decade. Yet there is no meaningful support, no decisive strategy, no action. Worse, a foreign nation recently admitted to supporting a terrorist attack on African soil. And the African Union, they didn't say a word. That silence is betrayal. If the African Union cannot speak for Africa, who will? There is one man today who has stood up, Captain Ibrahim Traoré. He stands for resistance. He stands for the people. And I'm telling you, Africa cannot afford to lose him. We cannot fail him. We cannot let him fall into the hands of the West. This is bigger than one man. It's a turning point for the continent. The spirit of our ancestors is awake. And we, the youth, must rise. He must be protected at all costs. This is not about politics. This is about our survival, our future, our freedom. Share this message. Speak out. Unite. Because Africa must stand this time and we must not fail.